Guys, this is your fat dad leaving Jack in the Box. What I'm walking in, this ain't snow, this is all ice. Look at everything, it's all frozen, and trying to walk so I won't fall. Gotta walk slowly. This is the road. Yeah, this is how the highways are. So I'll make it home to you guys by Sunday. There's been a lot of people crashing. Some of them ain't gonna be around for Christmas. So, alright, let's see how it is. Look at this. This is a whole mosquito ice. Look at it cracking right there. It's a fat dad walking across this. Alright. Alright, love you guys. Have fun at that show. See you guys. Love you guys.